Hi, boys and girls. I'm going to read you another story, and this one is called The Amazing Life Cycle of Butterflies. The author is Kay Burnham, and the illustrator is Maddie Frost. Do you remember what an illustrator is? Is it the person who writes it? Or is it the person who colors it? Illustrator. Did you say colors it? If you did, you're right. Let's see if Kay and Maddie did a good job writing and coloring it. In the warmer months of spring and summer, butterflies flutter about. These beautiful insects carry pollen from flower to flower, just like bees. But did you know that this is just one stage of a butterfly's incredible life cycle? There's going to be 4 stages. A butterfly begins its life as a tiny egg. Some eggs are round, some are oval, and some have ridges. The female butterfly sticks her eggs onto leaves or stems very close together. This plant will soon become their food. You notice here, they're on some leaves and on a stem. Inside the butterfly eggs, new life is growing. But these creatures are not yet butterflies. After a few days, the eggs hatch and butterfly larvae appear. Butterfly larvae are also known as caterpillars. At first, they look like small, wriggly worms, just like ours. This one. A caterpillar's job is to eat. Most caterpillars eat plants, but some eat other insects. They eat so much that soon their skin becomes tight and spite. It splits, and underneath is a new, bigger skin. As the caterpillar grows, this happens again and again. So now they're not dark. I like this book. I hope you do too. Caterpillars have many enemies. They are gobbled up by birds, wasps, and ladybugs. In some countries, humans eat them too. Would you eat them? Caterpillars use bristles, spikes, smells, and poison to frighten away enemies. Sometimes they disguise themselves with eye spots and patterns. This caterpillar is pretending to be a snake right there because other insects want to eat him up, or humans in some countries. When the caterpillar has finished growing, it hangs upside down from a leaf or a branch. Very slowly, a shell forms around it. This shell is called a chrysalis. Like the caterpillar, the chrysalis is patterned. This makes it difficult for enemies to spot. So soon ours are going to climb up to the top and they're going to hang upside down. Can't wait. Inside the chrysalis, something amazing happens. The caterpillar dissolves into a soupy mixture. Then eyes, legs, wings, antenna, and other body parts begin to form. After a week or two, the caterpillar will have changed into a brand new butterfly. Can't wait. At last, the adult butterfly pushes its way out of the chrysalis, then splits open, and out the butterfly appears. it's a tight fit inside the chrysalis, so the butterflies must first unfold soft wings, which will take a few hours to harden. Then it flies for its first time. Ours are gonna fly in here so that you guys can see it, but not for a long time because we don't want them to be in a box. We want them to be in our garden. A butterfly has 4 wings. They are covered with millions of tiny colored scales, which create different patterns. Some wing patterns allow butterflies to hide. Others have special markings that look like big eyes to scare away enemies. Bold, bright colors attract mates. Look at all the pretty butterflies, all different. A butterfly tastes with its feet and smells with its antenna. Its mouth is shaped like a long tube. This butterfly uses this feed on nectar from flowers. Butterflies can fly if it is warm. When they are too cold, they bask in the sun until the temperature rises. So butterflies like it warm, not cold. Some species of butterflies, like the monarch, live for a few months, but most just live for 1 or 2 weeks. During their short lives, butterflies mate. When the female butterfly lays eggs, the life cycle starts all over again. Did you know that butterflies are in danger? Pesticides cause them harm, and there are fewer wildlife areas for them to visit. Soon many species may become extinct. That means that there won't be as many. You can help by planting flowers just like we did, so that the butterflies will come. I think we did a good job of planting our flowers. And then we're going to put our butterfly and ladybugs and praying mantis. A butterfly's life cycle has 4 different stages. The egg, the larvae, the pupa, and then the butterfly. 4 stages. During its life, the butterfly transforms completely. This amazing process is called metamorphosis. Can you say that big word? Metamorphosis. Wow. Did you love this book? I did. Maybe your mom and dad have some books on butterflies, or you can go with Mommy's and Daddy's help on the internet to look at lots of the different types of butterflies there are. I'll see you tomorrow.